Hey, how's it going guys? So it's the final week of giveaway for my new WebdriverIO course. Now this week I will pick 2 lucky winners that will get this course for free. Once again, for those of you guys that missed my previous giveaway videos, to be part of the future giveaways you need to be a subscriber of this channel. So if you aren't subscribed yet, make sure to click on the subscribe button now and also click on the bell icon to get notified of all the updates. Second, you should also be part of my mailing list. So to join my mailing list, you can click on the link in the description below and you will be redirected to this page. So here simply add in your email as well as your name and then click on the subscribe button. Now some of you guys already went ahead and signed up. So I have put together all of that list over here with my existing mailing list users. So let's spin the wheel and take a look at our first lucky winner for this week. Alright, congratulations Mujahid, you're the first lucky winner of this week that will get this course for free. So let's do another spin for the second lucky winner of this week. Alright, congratulations Nagaraj to you as well. You're the second lucky winner of this week. So I will be reaching out to both of you guys. So make sure to check out your email if you're watching this video. And thank you everyone that participated in this giveaway. If you want to be part of the future giveaways, I've already told you what you need to do. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well as be part of the mailing list. Now those of you guys that don't want to wait for this giveaway, you can go ahead and purchase the course right away as well. I will give you guys the coupon code which will be in the description below and it's gonna give you minimum 85% off on this course. So thank you everyone for supporting the new course as well as the channel. I really appreciate all of your comments as well as the reviews. And I can't wait to create some more amazing content for you guys. So that's it for this video now. I will see you all in the next one.